Ever wondered how to give your WordPress dashboard a fresh new look? Maybe you're tired of the same gray-blue interface staring at you every day. Well, good news. WordPress actually lets you change your admin color scheme in just a few clicks, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and go to Users, then click All Users. Here, you'll see a list of every user on your website. If you want to change your own color scheme, hover over your username and click Edit. This will take you to your profile settings page. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Admin Color Scheme. This is where the magic happens. WordPress gives you several built-in themes to choose from, like default, light, blue, coffee, ectoplasm, midnight, ocean, and sunrise. Simply click on one of these options and you'll instantly see a preview of how your dashboard will look. Once you've found the color scheme that suits your style, scroll down and click Update Profile. And that's it. The next time you move around your dashboard, you'll see your brand new color palette applied everywhere. This quick change might seem small, but it can make your daily WordPress experience a lot more personalized and even a bit more fun. So if you're ready to brighten up your workflow or just want a dashboard that matches your vibe, go ahead and try it out. And if this helped you, stick around. There's plenty more WordPress customization tips coming your way soon.